Hi, I'm Peter Llewellyn with CreativeOnlineSchool.com. In this session, I will be explaining how to boost specific colors using Photoshop. Step 1. Open Photoshop if you haven't already. Now, locate the image you'd like to alter. Step 2. Navigate your way to the Image tab at the top of your screen. Here, you will find a menu labeled Adjustments. Under this, click Hue Saturation. Step 3. This will open a menu for editing your hue and saturation. For this particular task, we will only be focused on saturation. Select the color you'd like to pop from the preset menu. Step 4. Now slowly increase the saturation amount until you reach a point you are happy with. Step 5. Now we're all done with an eye-catching image.